and welcome back to my channel. Let me go ahead and apologize for my voice today, but I have this super good recipe that I really wanted to share with y'all, and it is beef tamale pie. So I'm starting by making this in my iron skillet. I'm going to give that a good spray, and then to a separate bowl I'm just using some cornbread muffin mix. You could use Jiffy, but this Betty Crocker one worked out perfectly as well. And to that I'm adding sour cream, 1 egg, and about a half a can of creamed corn. You can just eyeball it and mix that all up together. So once you have your cornbread mixed up, you're going to put that into your iron skillet, and this is going to go ahead and bake at 400 for about 20 minutes. And y'all, I have to go ahead and tell you, this recipe turned out so good. We all loved it. My husband, even both of my kids, thought it was delicious, and this really took no time at all to throw together. This is a perfect weeknight meal. So while your cornbread is baking in the oven, to a separate skillet, I'm just adding a little bit of olive oil and a chopped onion, and I'm just going to saute this until it softens a little bit. Once it's softened, I'm adding in some minced garlic. I'm going to let that cook for a few more seconds, and then we're going to add in about a pound of ground beef, and we're just going to brown that up until it's fully cooked. If this is your first time here on my channel, I want to go ahead and invite you to hit that subscribe button, especially if you love easy, family-friendly recipes. That is what I'm sharing all the time here on my channel, so I hope that you will go ahead and subscribe so you don't miss anything that I post. So once your ground beef is all cooked up, you want to drain it, especially if you use something like an 80-20 like I was using today. This was some leftover hamburger meat from hamburgers we did earlier in the week. So once I got that drained, I just returned it over here and added in 1 packet of taco seasoning. And you just want to stir everything together to get that seasoning all nice and coated. About this time, your cornbread is probably done, so you're just going to pull that out of the oven and then take a fork and basically poke holes all on the top of your cornbread. And then next you're going to take 1 can of red enchilada sauce, or green, I'm sure that would be delicious as well, and you pour about 1/3 cup right on top, and then I'm just using my fork to kind of spread it around and get it all in those little holes of the cornbread. Next, I'm just going to bring over that ground beef mixture and pour that right on top of the cornbread and enchilada sauce. Get that all nice and spread out evenly, and this is going to make the most delicious little tamale pie you ever did try. There you go, there's a little poem for you. But it's not done quite yet. We are going to add some shredded cheese on top. Feel free to use whatever kind of shredded cheese that you like. I use some Tillamook cheddar jack cheese in the farm style thick cut, and if you're not going to shred your own, this is the perfect alternative. I love Tillamook and Sargento, the thick shreds, so good, and they melt so cheesy and delicious. Y'all just trust me on this one. So I'm adding on about 2 cups of shredded cheese, just all on top, getting it all nice and covered, and this is going to be covered with some aluminum foil and go back into the oven for about 20 minutes. After that 20 minutes, we're going to uncover it, pop it back in the oven, and broil it for just about 5 minutes. Just keep an eye on it until that cheese starts to get a little bit brown on top, nice and bubbly. Y'all, this is just so good. How many times can I tell y'all that? So now I'm just going to plate it up, and we just served ours with some Mexican style rice on the side. Feel free to add whatever toppings you want as far as kind of taco toppings go. We just added a little bit of sour cream, and then I had some chives that I just sprinkled on top for a little bit of color, and this was the perfect weeknight, quick and easy, delicious meal. I mean, just look at all those layers. Seriously, so good.
Oh my goodness, that is so good. I'm not showing my face tonight because we've been under the weather, but y'all, this is delicious. Such a good like taco flavor, and you get a little bit of sweetness from that cornbread. Y'all gotta try this.
Alright y'all, thank you so much for cooking along with me today. I hope you'll give this one a try. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already before you go. I hope you guys are all doing amazing. Let me know what recipe you'd like to see me cook next, and I'll see you on Thursday at 1 p.m. with another video. Bye y'all!